Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the research terminal with the essentials prepared. This saves time and prevents interruptions. First, approach the terminal and press the Interact button to open the menu. Make sure you have the listed resources. If you lack one item, gather it now from nearby storage. Once the menu appears, pick a low-cost project to learn the interface. This gives immediate feedback and prevents wasting rare materials. Watch the progress bar. It shows expected time and resource consumption in real time. Once a project starts, you must manage contributors and consumables to optimize results. Assign higher skill animals first because they reduce duration and raise success odds. Swapping them mid-run can be costly, so plan ahead. If the terminal accepts boosters like extra batteries, add them to improve yield. This matters for rare blueprints. Keep an eye on resource burn rate and pause or cancel if a shortage appears, because failed projects still consume some inputs, and you'll want to avoid wasted materials. When a research run finishes, collect items and confirm blueprint unlocks immediately to free the terminal for the next job. If progress stalls or the project never completes, inspect battery charge and confirm assigned workers haven't been reassigned or incapacitated. Make sure your inventory has space. Otherwise, completion may not register. As a recovery measure, cancel the project and use the partial refund option to reclaim some inputs. Then restart with corrected resources to avoid repeating the same failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.